Welcome. Are you tired of constant Facebook notifications interrupting your day? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off notifications on Facebook using the mobile app. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, head to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu. This will open a list of options for managing your account and settings. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, scroll down to the section called Preferences. Under this section, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll find all the categories of notifications that Facebook sends you. To turn off notifications for comments specifically, tap on the Comments category. On this page, you'll see an option that says, Allow notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle this option off. And just like that, you've successfully disabled comment notifications. By following these steps, you can reduce distractions and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience on Facebook. You can repeat these steps for other notification categories if needed. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you next time.